Hey there, I'm Sam. You see these? You're surrounded by them every day. But do you really know what's behind your walls? Well, if you're like most people, the best bet you've got is a good guess. But me, I've got a sledgehammer. Oh, sorry, Gladys. Well, let's check it out. We've got insulation, electrical wires, some wall studs, even some outdated cables just boxing you in. Here's what you may not be thinking of. Every single item that goes into your building affects the health and happiness of the people inside. So ask yourself, what's behind your walls? If it's not smart, sustainable cable from Superior Essex, then it's time to reconsider how everything's connected. Check out our website to learn more and discover what's behind your walls.
How are you going to fix this?